Today we are in Westpark, built by ONYX. We are here to see these light industrial mixed business units. They are extremely modern. You have solar panels on the roof. You have electric car charging points. We're actually based just off of Junction 24. The units themselves, we have a mix of units left. We've got 1,000 square foot, we've got 2,000 square foot, we've got a mix of full mezzanines or half mezzanines. We've even got the shell units available too. Let me show you around, and I hope you like it.